Do I like? Do you like? Do you like? Do you like? Do we like? Do we like? Do we like? Do they like? Does she like? Does he like?
Do you like me? Do you like me? Do you like her? Do you like her? Do you like her? Do you like him? Do you like us? Yes. Do you like us? Yes. I like him. She likes me.
Do you like ice cream? Do you?
Do you like mango? Do you? Do you like orange? Do you? Do you like pizza? Do you?
Do you like burger?
Do you? Do you like chicken stew? Do you?
I like mango. What about you?
I like pizza. What about you?
I like chicken stew. And what about you?
I don't like pizza. I don't like papaya. I don't like Doro stew. I don't like steak. I don't like fish stew.
I like swimming.
I like swimming. It is my favorite sport. I enjoy dancing. Say, I enjoy watching a movie. I enjoy surfing internet. I enjoy singing. Say, I enjoy chatting with friends. Do we like? Yes, we do. Does she like? Yes, she does. Does he like? Yes, he does.